On the road again, guys. So we are leaving Molde right now and flying to Bergen, do a little sightseeing around there and check out yet another city in Norway. Well, it's supposed to rain a lot in Bergen, and it's raining in Bergen.
Living up to it.
We got to jump on the electric bus here. Not really sure why they put a question mark behind the Bergen sign over there, but we're in Bergen. And it's a little chilly and rainy. Whoa, that's a big bear.
Yeah.
Wow, look at our hotel, guys. So we're staying at the Radisson Blue Hotel right here overlooking the bay. Definitely gonna have to dig the raincoat out of the suitcase, so. This place is nice, y'all. This is gonna be a super fun city to travel around. So we're rented, or not rented, but we got these tickets for a hop-on, hop-off bus. So we're about to jump on there, and you can jump off at different spots. There's supposed to be a fish market. The whole city just looks super old. Really cool architecture, so let's go check it out. Yeah, raining 1 minute, not the next. Feels amazing. What do you think it is, Corey? About 60 degrees, 65?
I'd say 62, 60.
We're gonna head down here to the fish market, and that evidently is one of the stops for the hop-on, hop-off buses. But look at this place, man. All these old wooden structures.
Puts a smile on your face.
It sure does. Look how the buildings look like they curve out. Is that just an optical illusion or what? Look how the roof line looks like it curves out. Yeah. Interesting. Lots of shopping, lots of restaurants. This is gonna be a fun city to check out. There's your anatomically correct unicorn. We're gonna go check out O'Connor's and grab a brew. It's 11 o'clock. That's late enough. And it's 5 o'clock back home. Even though it's 5 a.m., it's still 5.
Juicy for you all, or?
Everybody's getting them a big juicy IPA.
Gotta get a big juicy. You got a pair of athletic shorts with that on the back of it that you get
So we
with
have
your
one
beer.
to juicy. Can I try that? This is a great one. I really like it.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at all the old pictures.
Yeah.
Heavy metal.
How do you say it? Dankeschön. Dankeschön in Post?
Prost.
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 Okay, thank you, ma'am.
There somewhere.
Hey, get you some whale to take back, Matt.
Yeah. Smoke whale.
Mm-hmm. Reindeer sausage, moose burger. Interesting. Now that's what I'm talking about. I don't know so much about urchin. What in the world's this hanging up down here? Stockfish cod, dried and salted. Interesting. So I guess you can just go to any one of these little restaurant setups. Oh, check it out, they got live king crab over here. But anyhow, you go to any one of these little restaurant setups and then you can sit wherever and eat. Wow, check that out. No way. I don't catch no shrimp like that.
No. Size of our lobster.
That's a jumbo. Oh my God, look at this. Holy cow. Smells amazing, y'all.
Yeah, sorry.
No, you can take it.
Oh, Oh. Good morning.
Yeah, it's just safe for everyone, not for me, Daddy. It's totally fine to take a picture.
Okay.
How do you eat the sea urchin?
We open and clean it. We don't cook sea urchin. It's inside. It's like a, for example, this one is the small one. When you open, it look like this.
Oh,
You just eat it raw?
So it's, yeah, we eat it raw.
Eat it raw?
You can eat with some soya or wasabi, but I prefer just eat it like that.
Wow.
Wow. Cool.
I've never tried sea urchin. They look
It's
funky,
nice,
don't they?
it's nice. The big one is a little bit bitter. The small one is more sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is what, scallop?
Yeah, this one is still alive, and you can choose to eat it raw grill. We open for you. Yeah.
Man.
This one is 199. We have the other one already took out the shell, 3 piece for 189.
No,
Okay. That one in black is whale.
Whale.
Okay.
Yes. Very good. Wanna taste it?
Not with me.
We already did the whale thing the other night. I don't really want any more. Reindeer hot dogs?
Might have to try that.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that was reindeer.
I guess this is like summer oh my god, they got whale sausage. They got whale sausage, Corey.
Do they really?
Yeah, look.
Probably take that home with you.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. It's packaged.
Yeah.
Do you want to taste the money?
I would love to.
Yeah,
I want
please,
to try the moose.
We have a moose.
Yeah.
Moose.
Can I just grab it with my hand?
Yeah, please.
I want to try the reindeer.
You can try one of each.
Thank you.
No problem. Reindeer is that one. And this one is the high quality. High quality because there is more meat and less cut of pork.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's really
Reindeer's
good.
really good.
Which one's reindeer?
Reindeer. Hey, if y'all have never had reindeer, it's right here. Look, as my nose started to get red.
Reindeer's pretty dang good.
I'll try a piece.
I like the moose.
Whale and moose. Have the whale.
Yeah. I'm kind of scared of the whhale.
That's good.
I'm gonna do
It's
whale.
Really good.
This is whale, right?
This
Get some
whale,
reindeer
yeah.
sausage.
The 62% of reindeer meat inside. It's a very hard.
It's better than the way we had it the other night.
Can you take this internationally? You can.
Yeah, it's a seal. It's cute and neat to see the
Yeah. That whale's not bad. It's better. It's better than the way we had it the
I
other
think I'm
night.
gonna come back and get some.
Yeah. This place is insane, you guys. What's this over here in the jars? Oh, caviar.
Hello.
Seafood for days. This is heaven. The size of these shrimp are just insanity. Oh, here's a bunch more live crab and lobster.
Turned out to be a really pretty day.
Oh my gosh, gorgeous, man. Wow. This place is incredible.
Now look at like.
Wow, check this place out. Ooh. That's what I want right there.
Yeah.
Crab legs. What we got up here, Josh?
Some eel.
Eel.
Smoked eel.
Oh, that's wicked. That's too much like a snake for me.
Yeah, no kidding. Go ahead and get you one.
Nope. Those crabs are ginormous. Man. There's just some dried fish in a bag, Josh.
Oh wow.
Got the tail sticking out
Yeah.
for you.
Take that back to the room with you.
You could munch on the tail while you're walking down the street. That's the appetizer.
Never seen a Viking before.
Now you just need the hat with the horns on it, man.
She's gonna bring him out.
Straight up Viking.
That's awesome.
Skull.
Goal. Not really sure what's going on here, but everybody's taking pictures and photographs. It might be a wedding or royalty or something. Not sure. The restaurant's kind of like inside of an old castle or something, but if you're ever here, it's Egon restaurant here in Bergen. Delicious food, and the burger was amazing. This is a neat old city, y'all. Just wonder how old some of these buildings actually are down here. So we're about to hop on the hop on hop off bus, which is a sightseeing bus here in Bergen. Has like 15 different stops. The fish market is one, which is just right across the street, and then a bunch of other stops as well. So it takes about an hour if you just stay on the bus and go all the way around the town, but you can just hop on, hop off wherever you like. Also, this is September and Bergen gets like 9 feet of rain a year. So definitely bring a rain jacket. It's been off and on raining all day long. Sun for a little bit, then rain, back to sun. Rain jacket, very important. And 30 seconds later, it's raining again. Thanks, dude.
That was right after college.
Hey, you want to go up top?
Yeah, let's go up top. Yeah, absolutely.
Sit in the front of the bus.
Get down in there.
Yeah, it does have a sunroof.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
You grab out of the recycle pile.
It comes pre-waxed.
That's right.
Now she's paranoid. I was like wiping it off a little bit. Just smell it.
Just smell it.
Sniff test this for me.
It smells a little rank.
Here, let me just.
It's coming down now. So we decided to stop at the aquarium since it's raining anyway. Go do an inside activity if we don't drown before we get there.
You're at a daycare.
Oh. We're about to go to jail. Not an aquarium.
Over there.
Oh, okay. All right, let's make a run for it.
I don't know.
You don't know where you're going, or you don't know how confident you are? Or both? That looks more like it. Does this look better than the last building you went into, Josh?
Oh, yeah. I was about to get locked up busting through the other one.
Little penguins. Oh man, that's a little deeper than I thought. Just went all in my shoe. I wore the wrong shoes.
So adorable.
Other pro tip for Bergen: don't wear these kind of shoes. Look at him.
Scratching on the itch.
It's amazing.
It's cool. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Is there a snake in? Oh,
Yeah, a little one.
just a little guy.
Jeez. Make sure nobody's coming up behind me to scare me.
Next stop,
I am
Florida
I am
Everglades.
petrified of snakes. Cool. And it's starting to rain yet again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the first day here in Bergen. I know I have. We're gonna stay here for a couple of days, and I'll take you with me, but not on this video. It's gonna be on the next one. I'll see you there.